This 2014 Ford Edge is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. Edge Limited odd panoramic vista sunroof navigation system rear view camera heated front seats 3.5 LV6 engine 6-speed automatic transmission all-wheel drive system fog lamps cruise control power windows power door locks black exterior black leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for a detailed walk around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Ford Edge Limited AWD is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and ample pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery, Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.